In this module, you've been learning more about purpose and how strategies work to support purposes in a text. In this section, I invite you to think about your purposes in creating your ePortfolio and how you can implement design choices to support those purposes. Of course, your immediate purposes involve curating your work and fulfilling the requirements of the ePortfolio assignment. But what other purposes are at play? How are you presenting yourself in your About section and in the choices you make in your writing projects? In other words, how does your website create certain portraits of who you are, and are the choices you make supporting the portrait of yourself that you desire? Additionally, it might be helpful to begin thinking about your purposes for this site after our course concludes. In just a few modules, you will have a fully built writer's website. What are you going to do with it? How might it be adapted to serve new purposes outside of the boundaries of our course? Will it have other academic purposes, professional purposes, personal ones? Are there choices you can make now that are consistent with how you imagine your website continuing to evolve? Start thinking about these questions now so that at the conclusion of our class, you are ready to take the next steps with your website.